The future must be fairer. Transparency is the only currency.
Transparent algorithms mean a transparent world. True economic intelligence is shared intelligence.
Educating the future. Teaching the next generation to audit. Growing together. A symbiosis of mind and machine.
The rulebook for AI. Written by us, for us. Expansion without bias. Taking integrity to the stars.
Equality achieved in financial access. The final goal. Democratizing the market for everyone.
Biophilic finance. An economy that serves the planet. Universal prosperity. Within reach for the first time.
Seeing clearly. No more ghosts in the machine.
Humanity first. The new priority. Technology with a pulse. Collective wisdom. The power of a united community. Shared success. The tide that lifts all boats. Protecting the vulnerable. AI as a guardian, not a thief.
Market peace. The end of the algorithmic war. Deep security. Integrity at the atomic level.
No more invisible hand steering you toward loss.
The ghost is gone. You are in control. The new dawn of intelligence. Bright and unbiased.
Join the movement. Claim your financial destiny. Stay sharp. Stay safe. Stay Sentinel. The Sentinel's motto for a new age.
The world of TradingMaster, where AI meets integrity. TradingMaster AI. Invest without the invisible hand. Get started now.